Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to clean your car like a pro. Car wash soap, microfiber wash mitt, bucket, water hose, glass cleaner, microfiber towels, tire brush, wheel cleaner, vacuum cleaner, interior cleaner. Park in shade, rinse car to remove loose dirt. Fill bucket with soapy water, gently scrub top to bottom. Use one bucket for soapy water and another for rinsing to avoid dirt transfer. Use wheel cleaner and tire brush to remove grime. Rinse with clean water, dry with microfiber towels. Remove trash, vacuum floors, seats, and crevices. Use compressed air for hard-to-reach areas. Clean dashboard, console, and door panels with interior cleaner. Use glass cleaner and microfiber cloth for streak-free results. Add interior deodorizer for a pleasant scent. Your car is now spotless, inside and out. Like and subscribe for more car care tips. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and see you next time.